ever get tired of typing everything into ChatGPT? You don't have to. ChatGPT has really helpful audio options. It took me a while to realize it myself, but you can switch flexibly between different modes, depending on where you are and what you need. So, there are 4 main ways you can interact with ChatGPT, and you can mix and match it as you like. It's ideal for busy women like me. First, the classic one, typing. Perfect when you're writing something that needs precision, like an email or an article. Of course, you can add written documents like PDFs or paste in text too. Second, transcription. Tap the little microphone icon here, speak your thoughts, and watch them appear instantly as text once you are ready. Great for capturing ideas fast. Third, you can have ChatGPT read the text back to you. Click this icon under the text and wait a few seconds. I use this a lot when I want to review something hands-free. Fourth, voice mode. For this mode, click on this icon. It feels like talking to a person. It doesn't show text during the conversation. It's just you and ChatGPT speaking back and forth. I use this sometimes when driving. Just keep in mind, voice mode needs a lot more resources than the other modes, and it does use up your free quota quickly. And the best thing, you can mix and match all these modes. In one chat, you can use all of them, depending on where you are, what you need, and what suits the situation. For example, while I take a walk in the park, I speak about my next video idea, just roughly what comes into my mind. I ask ChatGPT to summarize, ask me questions about it, and add further ideas. Then at home, at my laptop, I finalize the written script. Or I listen again to the answers from a chat a few weeks ago, let it sink in, and continue working on that topic or task.
The real-time synchronization is another powerful feature of ChatGPT. There are apps for PC, tablet, and mobile, and there's also the browser version. I have ChatGPT installed everywhere. They all sync my chats immediately as long as I am logged in. For example, you can start a chat on your laptop and months later open it on your phone and have ChatGPT read it aloud to you. Or you might reopen a chat you started at work in the browser at home on your laptop to reread and refine it. Think of it as your personal idea vault. Wherever you are, your chats are waiting for you, ready to pick up where you left off. Okay. These were my tips on how you can work much more flexibly with ChatGPT thanks to the audio and sync functions. I hope these tips help you use ChatGPT in a smoother, more natural way every day. If this video was helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more beginner-friendly ChatGPT tricks, and tell me in the comments, do you prefer typing, dictating, listening, or talking?